Good day, YouTube. How are you guys doing? How is everyone today? We are a bit late for our live stream, but at the end of the day, we made it. Some things I had to take care of in the morning, so unfortunately, I couldn't start the stream earlier. But of course, as my friend Ruben says, consistency. Yeah, of course, we are consistent. So how is trading going, guys? Anything you traded this London session so far? How did the DAX move? DAX. 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 At the open. What did we get there? At the open, we just had that higher high. Yeah, nice classic retracement back to this area of volume control, and from then the price bounced, moved to the upside, keep making higher highs, higher lows, complex retracement here. Sellers make their appearance at this point, so we expect some pull to the downside. This bearish engulfing, it has an unusual shape. So gold, what is gold doing? Let's start with our top-down analysis on the gold. Yeah, all good, Iva. Thanks for asking. That's the previous day's high, previous day's low. So pretty much gold came from this, we can say, last 7 days with higher highs. This inside, not this inside candle now, during the Asian and beginning of London, the price didn't make a lower low. So technically we are inside this territory. Anyway, on the 4-hour chart, the market is bullish. The 4-hour candle just opened. Didn't it? Yeah, just 5 minutes ago. So this is the hourly. What do we have here? Higher highs. This candle is endorsed from there. Okay. So there is another area up there. On the 15-minute, this doji gravestone doji from the candlestick patterns, it's a great one to short it, and it's in a good territory. So if we're gonna go short here, it's a bit aggressive because we are trading against the trend, but if you want to trade this candlestick, it can give some good outcome, I guess. For me, it's not on the scope now, but honestly, yeah, I like this candlestick here, guys. The ATR, it's about 6 points there. So if we go short from here, 6 points we want to cover. Has to be somewhere right there. So the entry should be somewhere inside this area, and I took the wrong tool. Short position. So the entry should be somewhere there. Stop loss above there and take profit 221. So if we're gonna get this and the market moves in the direction we expect, so 221 is gonna be down there. Can be a good one. This, let's just keep an eye on that one. Already touched. I'm not into this. I'm not into this, guys. Okay. Really, I'm not into this, but if you want to trade it based on the candlestick patterns, yeah, this candlestick, it's a good one. S&P, the plan for today to trade it. Yeah, as we said yesterday, this doji around the all-time high can trigger the sellers, and it did on the 4-hour. Remember we said yesterday on the 4-hour, all these inside candlesticks, they can trigger the market to break lower. And I think in the Telegram channel I posted that we want to go short at the break of this one, which didn't I post it on the Telegram channel? I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, it was on the VIP. So it was here in the VIP, and I post I'm watching this level. So patience here, nothing happened. And then I was watching this level here. At the break to look for some opportunities. Then on the 15-minute, see how the price broke there. It was inconsistent. The breakout was inconsistent. See, we had one touch, second touch. Buyers didn't make it, so sellers came aggressive and they pushed the price down. So the retracement came at a time that I wasn't looking at the charts, so I didn't place any trades here. Even if I was looking at the charts, the only trade I would have placed is this breakout of the inside candlesticks. Nothing here because I didn't get my pattern. Then when the price came at this area of resistance based on this swing low, I didn't have my catalyst, so I wouldn't enter the trade. I wouldn't have taken any trades. But this one here, it's one of the patterns that I teach and I trade. This one, how to trade the inside candlesticks. That's an amazing pattern to trade, guys. During a trend, of course. So fast forward to today. So we break this area. These are not relevant anymore. On the hourly, our FIP comes down there. We just reached the 61.8. There is a lot of volume and interesting part right there. On the 15-minute, we came from this resistance now. There is, I can see a consistency in this uptrend. See how many touches? 1, 2, 3 touches, including this one, 4. So This trend line now becomes steep, which means the market is getting into momentum. I'm not going to sell anything from here because I don't like to put my stop loss above there. It's too much for me. I will wait to see if the price change structure here, and if then I will do my further analysis for the entry. But as for now, I'm just staying tight. If we zoom in, there is a bearish engulfing here. Bearish engulfing. So what's the here is 2. If we're gonna short there, I don't like the stop loss placement now. This candle just open and it shows aggression. But what to place a stop loss? Oh, that's too much. Too much. To place a stop loss up here. No way. That's way too much. I've asked on gold, do I wait for change of market structure? If you look the 1 minute chart and you want to wait for change of market structure, yes, but on the 5 minute chart, no, I wouldn't. If I like that 15-minute candlestick from this resistance, considering that yesterday we had also a reversal candle, still made higher highs, but it showed that sellers took control. And on the 15-minute, there is reversal around this key resistance. If I was about to trade, I would have just sell where I place my entry, the position. It's just this one here, I start liking it a little bit on the S&P with this bearish engulfing. If I go aggressive above the bearish engulfing, there is a potential 3-1 reward here. Yes, sounds good. Yeah. Forex Factory. Let's see what's with Forex Factory today. Oh, CPI. CPI yearly in the US. Oh, it's expecting to. Oh, now we have a bit of a problem here, guys, because the CPI is expected to drop in number from 3.5% to 3.4%, which means the US dollar, if we're gonna get a confirmation here on the actual 3.4 or lower, US dollar will drop. So if US dollar drops, then all these guys will help to push to the upside. So even though the market structure suggests that we can sell it, the market participants are more positive into a negative dollar. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm not going to play the game now. So I want to protect my capital first. Therefore, I will wait the CPI report to finish. And for anything is related to the US dollar, like mainly what we trade, I'll wait for the I'll wait for the market to digest the move. It's not like the NFP and end of the week. It's Wednesday, mid of the week. CPI, it's gonna show it's gonna do its thing at that time. So from now until the report, we have a couple of hours left. I will sit tight, preventing my capital. And let's say at 3:45 onwards, local time or whatever is going to be in your time, then we're going to start looking for this guy here. US-Iran agreed to extend 60-day ceasefire ahead of August 17 deadline. Come on, guys, just solve these things, solve these conflicts, and it's done. But at the end of the day, unfortunately, it's all about who it's gonna dominance the market, their currency for the next years, and that's the problem, actually. So now, if we want to look at something to trade, it's better to look something that is not related to the US dollar, like JBP, JPY, for example. Yeah, it's a massive drop there. Daily. Inside break for our on the hourly key resistance here, 15 minutes. Fifteen minute chart. So guys, did you get the point? Although the technicals look so good and we can get some moves now on the gold if we sell, but what matters in the financial markets is what do you do consistent, not what do you do just because you are scared of missing out a trade that it can resolve as a good trade. So for me here, I like to sell the S&P. I would like to sell the gold just purely because of the technicals, but knowing how the financial markets move, if there are news with a forecast, high impact news, not just the news, high impact news, and the forecast is against our position and there is a high chance the forecast to be correct, it's not that smart to go against, then just sell now. So better let's wait a little bit and then we're gonna come back to see how we can trade again this. See, the buyers don't let it go. Mm. The buyers don't let it go. On the minute chart, we have this pattern now with higher highs and higher lows. So if we get a break below here, the retracement with a stop loss above the swing high maybe can help the price to drop. DAX, it fault break this high here of the bearish engulfing. That bearish engulfing was good. You see, guys, why you don't want to trade the candlesticks purely just because they came up, because they are candlesticks. You don't want to trade them like that, because first is the market structure and then is the catalyst. So the market now, it's gonna start going sideways, anticipating sideways. I mean, it's gonna produce low quality signals, anticipating the CPI here. So just be patient. Don't be patient. Don't rush to anything. Even the gold, it's really good technically, very good technically, but there is a lot of divergence between what can happen in the next couple of hours with the direction we can trade based on the technical factor. Now, on the flip side, if the CPI come up as higher than 3.4, even 3.5, 3.6, it will likely to hold the US dollar, and then gold, S&P, and the rest will go down. So for now, just be a bit patient. If you have any questions, guys, here on the chat, or I will end this live stream and we're going to come back tomorrow. Okay, so I will let you for now. There is, as I said, there is low activity during these times. Okay, just wait a couple of hours and then look what's going on. You can comment on the Telegram posts we have there if you see something. And I will see you tomorrow again, same time. Take care and happy trading.